Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can get shaders in Minecraft Bedrock. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, so let's get started. Please take note that not all systems are going to be able to run shaders. The main requirement is that you've got an NVIDIA RTX graphics card. So after that, head to the marketplace, go to the top right and search a thing called RTX. RTX is where we can make shaders on Minecraft. So click one of here, go to the top right and go and tap on download. Tap on download again. If your system doesn't support RTX, then you should see it. But if it doesn't, you can check it by creating the world. There's one key setting you may need to enable. If you can see any difference, press escape, then tap settings, go over to the left and scroll down until you see the option for video, then scroll down until you see the option for ray tracing and make sure that is enabled. Then you should try playing again. Now, quit off Minecraft Bedrock and open up a browser. Type in Minecraft Bedrock RTX Vanilla Shaders. Make sure you download it from a legitimate website like MCPEDL. Look at some images, then scroll all the way down right to the bottom, and then there's going to be an option for download. Click one of these options here. Just wait for it to say files ready. So tap on that a certain pack here, then it goes and downloads. Open up your downloads folder in your file explorer and then double click on it. Minecraft Bedrock will then go and launch. It will then say import started at the top and it will say successfully imported. Now click on play and then you can use existing mode or press create new world. On the left hand side, select on resource packs and select owned, and here is Vanilla RTX. Go over to the right and tap on activate. After it's activated, tap on create and wait for the world to load. You can try it out now. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye!